everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to draw a horizontal line in Tradingview. To draw a horizontal line in Tradingview as of 2025, just need to follow these simple steps. On your desktop or website, open your chart, navigate to Tradingview and open the chart you wish to analyze. Step 2 is to access drawing tools. On the left-hand toolbox, click on the trend line tools icon, that is a diagonal line. From the drop down menu, select horizontal line. 3. Place the line. Click anywhere on the chart where you want the horizontal line to appear. It will extend indefinitely across the chart at that price level. Step 4. Customize the line. Right click on the line and choose settings to modify its appearance. Its style, you can change its color, opacity, thickness, and line style. For this text, you can add labels, adjust font size, and set text alignment. For coordinates, precisely set the line's position by entering a specific price level. For visibility, choose on which time frames the line should be visible. And for alerts, set up notifications to be alerted when the price crosses the line. 5 is quick shortcut. Press Alt plus H to instantly draw a horizontal line at the current price level. On the mobile app, which is on iOS and for Android, open the Tradingview app, launch the app and open your desired chart. Access the drawing tools by tapping on the drawing tools icon, typically a pen or similar symbol. From the list, select horizontal line. Place the line. Tap on the chart at the desired price level to place the horizontal line. Tap on the line to access customization option, allowing you to adjust the size, add labels, and set alerts. Additional tips: horizontal ray tools. If you prefer a line that extends only the device from a specific point, use the horizontal ray tool. It functions similarly but doesn't extend to the left. Use the indicators for multiple lines. For plotting multiple horizontal lines automatically, that is for support and resistance level, consider using community created indicators like horizontal lines by Max, allowing customization of starting price, gap between lines, and number of lines. You can also use draw horizontal lines by Kivian Sutton. Enables drawing lines at user-specific levels. There's also auto-step horizontal lines by SL Warrior. Create automatic horizontal lines by specifying the price range for each line. Set an alert to receive notification when the price crosses the horizontal line. Right-click on the line and select Add Alert on horizontal line. Configure the alert condition and notification preferences.